I'm Miss Lily with Lily's Music, doing a quick tutorial over Philharmonic Cello Audition music from TMEA Region 29. So we're starting off with our Etude. It starts off with D, C sharp, F natural, C sharp, B flat, C sharp, G sharp, G, F sharp. So on that one, it is chromatic. The finger numbers over it say 1, 1, 0. You don't have to shift your whole hand back, just 1, 1, 0. So starting from that measure, which would be measure 20, you start with a C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, remember the B flat, E flat, E flat again. So remember the E flat, F natural, E flat, B flat, E flat, and E flat there. Regular first finger, F sharp again, B flat, C sharp, B natural, so a third finger set of 2. Regular E, G sharp, B natural, regular F, F natural, shift to 4th position E. You're gonna do G, F sharp, F natural, E, shift back down to regular 1st position. So the shift, you're going C natural to the E. So really think about it as your first finger B going to your first finger E. So starting from that shift again at 32, E, shift, low 1 for that B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, at 42 you have that shift again, 4th position. As you're shifting, just make sure you're not resting on that cello there. Just E, G, C, E, G, E. Back down, regular B. This one, just be cognizant, be aware of which notes are natural, which are sharp, and which are flat. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck.